boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. Five-time best-selling author Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. My friends, today we're going to talk a little bit about our baby knockouts. We're going to talk about our crypto baby knockouts. We're going to talk about a uranium baby knockout here in 1 second, my friends. As you know, The Scoop is for your education, your entertainment, your information only. I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor, my friends. I'm an author. I'm a researcher. I put it in black and white, so you'll have it for days, weeks, months, and years to come, my friends. It's one of those days. I'm in the desert Southwest in the United States of America. It is going to be a good day, a nice day, beautiful day today. I hope you're trading well this midweek, my friends. It is going to be like 75, almost 80 degrees or so. We're just at the end of the warmness before the coolness really kicks in, because it's like in the 50s or so in the mornings. So we layer up, a big knockout, got my sweater on and got something on underneath it and all that. We have all, everybody's layered up as people are out walking and playing tennis and paddleball, and the bugs are starting to come out. It's going to be a great, great day, my friends. My friends, little housekeeping here. My private students, make sure you put those new carbon credit baby knockouts on your watch list, my friends. Those are going to be very, very important. Just your watch list right now. They're going to fluctuate. They're not trading a lot of shares every day. Everybody's kind of waiting for what's going to happen with the climate changes, and everybody wants this, that, and the other thing, and everybody's saying they're going to do this, that, and the other thing, and we'll just see what they do when it comes to carbon getting rid of some of the gases in the world. We'll just say that. There's been so much hype and so much talk, guys. We just have to see if this thing happens. But sometimes where there's smoke, there's fire. So we have to prepare. We had to get right in position, and that's what we're doing, just like we did with Bitcoin and Ethereum early on, my friends. Our baby knockouts, let's talk about it for a second here. Exploding, my friends. Guys, we've got Hive, which is up over $4. It's up, over 8% or so mid trading period here. HUT 8, over $15 USD. I'm talking about, up over 10%. Guys, those baby knockouts that we backed the truck up and loaded up on are going to, those are the stocks that we're going to ride this next phase of the bull run through. I believe in this bull run here, my friends. I believe we get over 64 basically, and we hold it for 3 days, and we're kind of off to the races. I think that's where we're going to be headed, guys. We may be headed to 70, 80, guys. We may be headed to 90, 100, K with Bitcoin. We will see, my friends. Some of the other big guys that we got into early, which are doing exceptionally well. I'm talking about Riot, which right now Riot is over $30 USD. It's done very well. We got into it under $1. Also, Mara, my friends, is doing exceptionally well. It's up over 11% today, midday. It's just kicking butt. It's over $60 or so there. It is just it's tearing it up. USD, it's like 60. It's doing very, very well. And moi in investing and understanding Bitcoin, currencies to get in, currency stocks to get in. When we got into these stocks, guys, this book is well worth its weight in Bitcoin. I thought I was going to say its weight in gold, weight in Bitcoin. And it's just a very simple. Did you think $20, guys, a $20 investment would take you this far here? I can remember doing the video when all these things were just so low, and I was telling you, hey, they're not going to be under $1 for long. And look at them now. Some of them have gone over $50, $60. So that was a good pick there as far as we're concerned. Excellent, my friends. Just like we're getting early right now with our carbon credit baby knockouts. That's the same thing we did with our Bitcoin stocks, my friends, and that is going to work here. One point here I wanted to give you on our uranium, one uranium baby knockout, my friends. As uranium took a little dip here, we had a day there where we were down almost $4 on the spot price, which is slowly making its way back up. Of course, it's going to. The fundamentals are just off the chain. They're beautiful. They're outstanding, my friends. But one stock, I'm talking about Forum Energy Metals, it did have a 30% pullback. And you guys know, anything over 20, 25, 30, I love those 30% pullbacks. And I did pick up some more Forum Energy Metals. And as my private students know, and check your box, guys, to make sure you have, like I said, make sure you have those carbon credits stocks on your watch list. But along with that last video for my private students, you on the Scoop team, on my Scoop team private students, I did, and we're coming up to the end of that, guys. So if you want to be and get these baby knockouts early for this year, we're going to be closing this down for this year, and then we're going to pick it back up next year. But the carbon credits will probably be the last one of the last trades that we get into. We'll see how it goes. We're still early here in the final quarter here of the year, so we'll see how it goes, guys. But if you can recall, I did a video on Forum Energy Metals, FDC, FF, and FMC for my private students. One thing I was telling you guys about was some of these OGs, and you know they have partnerships with some of the best out there. You know, Rio Tinto and Urano, stuff like that. But Rick Mazer, now Rick is an OG, guys. He's the CEO of Forum. And in fact, he started the company. He's been around for 35, 40 years. This guy's been around for a minute. He's a geologist. He's an OG geologist. And he's not in the I would say he's not in the James Sykes category, put it that way. That's one of our favorite geologists there with Baseload. And we followed him from other companies over to Baseload. So we know from Appia and even before that with Arrow, with Next Gens. We follow all of, we have our favorites. Just like you have your favorites, we have our favorites. Now, Rick, the only reason I'm mentioning Rick with Forum Energy Metals is because Rick has a lot of logs in the fire, guys. Sooner or later, those sparks and that smoke is going to really make a big fire, because he's got some stuff going on. We're waiting right now. I told you November. We would have, probably starting November, maybe December, we'll have plenty of results coming out from the samples that have been sent to the labs. So we're going to have results coming out. I'm talking about anything from cobalt to copper to, they're involved in everything. They've got some uranium projects that they're going to fire up. They have a lot out there. And, this little project generator, kind of what we call them, what they are, they've got some projects. And some of these, sooner or later, I told my private students, I said, Rick is going to hit something. I don't know what it is, but sooner or later, this guy is overdue. And that's just an OG CEO that I remember from back in the day when I traded the 2003, 2004, 5, 6, 7, that run up. Forum was around, and Forum did get you a few dollars. I think he may have gone up to $5 or something. They were in the game at one time. Rick has been around. I do remember him from back then. He was doing some things then. Well, now is his time. And who's declaring it? I'm declaring it. It's Rick's time. So it's time for Rick to step up to the plate. I mean, they have a lot of samples out, and hopefully we think that they can hit something. Yes, this is a viable pullback, my friends, on Forum Energy Metals, and I have bought it myself. Put my money where my mouth is, my friends, and that's what I've done. But overall, the uranium market is doing fantastic. Our baby knockouts are doing fantastic. The charts are just, sideways and up. We're looking for a big seasonal trade here, guys. I've coined it. We're having seasonality on steroids in the uranium market, guys. Just stand by. It's coming. It may not come today or tomorrow, but we're gonna have some big giant moves. If you think our uranium, if you think our crypto and our Bitcoin stocks are on steroids, wait until you see what happens with these uranium stocks, my friends. Let me say, once again, this is my third time. This is my third uranium bull market, guys. So I'm not a rookie at this, guys. I've done this before. And it's same thing with the Bitcoin. Yeah, I'm branching off to the altcoins, and I got a JT down in Los Angeles. He did give me Matic, and it's done very well. I thank you very much there, JT. He's been some of my confidants have been feeding me these altcoins. So I'm digging it, and it's all good, guys. But hey, you have a great rest of the trading week. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you on board. And if you don't have a copy of this mini book, Investing and Understanding Bitcoin, there's not a lot of Bitcoin stuff out there that will lead you to stocks, to the stock market. And we just have a little bit here, my friends. But for $19.95 or whatever, all the books are like, there's no book now. I don't think I have a book out there now. There's no books out there over $20. So this is if you want to get them now, hear the sound of freedom there. Hold on one second here. Aircraft fighters are practicing. They've been practicing day and night. Taiwan, can you say, I don't know who they're practicing for, Taiwan. I don't know. The Chinese, there may be some action. I'll have to observe that and see what's going on here, because when they practice day and night, week after week, month after month after month, let's just say the world is a safer place when pilots from all over the world come and practice missions in America, shall we say. That's not, that's my own personal opinion. That's my own personal opinion, guys. Love you. God bless you guys. Have a great, just trade the plan, guys. Stay the course. We don't need to go anywhere. We're in these stocks so early, guys. And in fact, I'm gonna run some videos here. You guys are gonna see how early we were in some of these stocks. I remember saying, I was asking a question. I think, was Marathon worth like $1.50 or so? It's $60 now. We were in so early. Was Hive worth 10 cents or 8 cents? Was Hut 8 worth, was it worth 40 cents? Was Riot worth under $1? It's up over $30 now. So it was up over 60. So we made plenty of money there, my friends. But as we turn the corner to our carbon credits, and we turn the corner to water, and we turn the corner to some of these other areas, as we get in super duper early, that's the key. Get quality companies super early. No one is looking right now. No one is looking at areas that we're looking at right now. Just like when we got into our stocks, our crypto and our Bitcoin stocks, nobody was looking. Bitcoin was 7,000, maybe 4,500. Or I look at some of the old shows. I tell you, Bitcoin is 7,500, guys. Watch out. We may get 8,000. Look at us now, guys. We're over 60. I mean, and when some of these carbon credit, just stay tuned. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Same thing with the uranium stocks, guys. We're in the uranium stocks so early. Could we have gotten in? I guess we could have gotten in Paladin at 2 cents or 3 cents instead of 4 cents and 5 cents and 3 cents, right? We could have gotten in a couple cents earlier, right? It's 50, 60 cents now, USD. Anyway, guys, there's so many examples out there. Love you. God bless you. And thank you for joining me today. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're out there. God bless you. Take care of you and your family.